Well, hello. I'm going to do a product review. I bought the big AeroPress. I decided to stop drinking coffee when I moved into a van because when I drink coffee, I pee out of my butthole. I know. And I feel like that's not a good combo when you are living in a van. So I quit and it's going alright, but once in a while I'm like, hey, I need a cup of coffee, you know, later in the day, feeling a little tired or whatever. So we're gonna do a little unboxing here. What the man? This is sandwiches. Hey bud. You can't have any coffee because you're a dog. Alright. Let's open these suckers up. Whew. Let's see what we got going on here. Put filter and filler cap. Done. Twist filter cap onto chamber. What's the chamber? Alright, this is the chamber. Twist that sucker in there. Stand chamber on sturdy blah blah blah. Mug! I don't have a mug. I have mugs in storage. Son of a gun. Mug. It doesn't fit. That's what she said. Alright. Smells like protein powder. Done. I didn't know what kind of coffee to get. I was looking at them, pondering. I didn't want to spend a ton of money. And some old man grabbed this. So I was like, hey, old guys usually know what's up. Smells good. One round scoop as opposed to a square scoop. Shake to level coffee. Add water up to 1 on the chamber. Hot ass water. Stir for 10 seconds. Okay, I have to heat up water, so hold on. This was a bad idea, doing it here. Like this. So many things. Just spilled my soda. Coffee is safe. Living in a van is so fun. Jeez, okay. I'm gonna put this down because I know I'm gonna spill it and burn my nuggets. So I got some hot water here. Gotta go to the 1. I'm at an angle. Life is just complicated. I can't even see. Oh my god. Oh yeah! My legs. Okay. Stir. Where's my damn stir stick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert plunger and press gently, pausing when you feel resistance until plunger reaches grounds. Might want to speed this up, Lee. Okay. Remove filter cap, push plunger to eject the... I don't want to do that right now. Then add water. So I bought this huge thing. I should have got the travel one. I had it in my hand. What's 8 ounces? That I don't know. Looks pretty watered down. Ooh. That tastes like warm water. Alright, I'm gonna have to watch some videos on this thing. Because it doesn't taste like coffee. I like my coffee like really black and strong, so maybe I need 2 scoops. I feel like 2 scoops is a lot for 1 cup of coffee. I think I made a mistake by buying this. Oh no, get out of here! Live in a van, they said. It'll be great, they said. No one said that.